Subscribe to Civil Steps YouTube channel. Press bell icon to get latest updates.
Recently, you have seen in the newspaper, that is The Hindu or PIB or any other source, there was one very famous personality, that is Mahakavi Subramanyam Bharti, was in news. Why? Because recently the vice president paid tribute to Mahakavi Subramanyam Bharti on his 100th death anniversary. So that is why this personality, that is Mahakavi Subramanyam Bharti, is important for your history. That is for both prelims as well as mains. Now, he was born on 11th of December 1882 in Etavapuram, Madras Presidency, a place in Madras Presidency, that is Etavapuram. Now, if we see his profile, he is an Indian writer of the nationalist period, that is 1885 to 1920, who is also regarded as the father of the modern Tamil style. That is also known as Mahakavi Bharatiyar. Okay. So his strong sense of social justice drove him to fight for self-determination. So now we'll see his involvement in nationalist period, or you can say that is our India's movement for independence. So if you see, after 1904, he joined the Tamil daily newspaper, and the name of that newspaper is Swadeshamitram. Now this newspaper gave him exposure to political affairs, which led to his involvement in the extremist wing, remember, extremist wing of the Indian National Congress Party. Now, in order to proclaim its revolutionary ardor, Bharati had the weekly newspaper that is named India, which is printed in red paper. So name is India. Now, this newspaper was the first paper in Tamil Nadu to publish political cartoons. So again, important fact. He also published and edited a few other journals like Vijaya. Now, he also attended the annual session of INC and discussed national issues like with extremist leaders like the famous one, Bipin Chandra Pal, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and VVS Iyer. Now his participation and activities in Banaras session, which held in 1905, and Surat session, that is 1907, Surat split of the INC, impressed many national leaders for his patriotic fervor. Now, he also published the sensational Sudesha Githangal in 1908. Now, this personality is also known for, that is for his famous reaction to the Russian Revolution of 1917. That is in its poem, which is named as Pudia Russia. Now, Pudia Russia, which means the new Russia, which offers a very good examples of poet's political philosophy. Now, after the publication of this, he was forced to flee to Pondicherry, or you can say Puducherry. That is a French colony where he lived in exile from 19010 to 1919. Now, during this time, Bharati's nationalistic poems and essay were popular successes or success. So, in last we'll see some of his famous work like Kannan Pattu, which is dedicated to Krishna, which is written in 1917. Panchali Saptam, another work which is in 1912. Kuil Pattu, so it is some Kuil's song which is in 1912, and the famous one Pudia Russia. So you remember Pudia Russia, which is related to your Russian Revolution. Now, many of his English work were collected in Agni, and other poems and translations and essay and other prose fragments, which is in 1937. So he died on 11th of September 1921. So this year it was its 100th death anniversary. So it is expected that you can find a question in your prelims. So be ready for it and be prepared for all the important facts.